Welcome, welcome to See Sparkles Corner. Well, I'm not going to take down the door because I can't. When I painted the door, I didn't take it down before. I painted right over the hinges, so that's okay. I'm just going to roll out the paint. I'll have a barrel of fun. Roll out the paint. We're gonna blush the door. Okay, so what we're gonna do. Yeah. Stay there. She's got this beforehand. This is a laundry room and combination storage room because, well, you know how it is. You end up getting a lot of stuff. Okay, so okay, here we go. So I mixed up some paint. I got the acrylic and my favorite brand. I won't say what it is. So I'm going to paint this side. Even though we're not essentially doing this room, I just bought a gallon of it. So I've got so much of it, so I'm going to just paint it. And there's nothing to do on the top because, well, it just got weather stripping up there. Yeah, yeah. Here I go, painting up the door. We're gonna make it pretty and pretty. Here we go. I don't really care about this side of the door, but David suggested I paint it just to be thorough. I'll get close up by it with the brush after. We're gonna make this door red. It's quicker with a roller. The other side is the only side of the door I'm really concerned about, but hey, if I'm going to paint it, I'm going to do a good job. We're going to do the brushing after. This side of the door doesn't really matter, like I said. So I'm not doing anything until I figure out when I'm going to ready to what I'm going to do with this laundry room. So right now it's just so I'm just doing this to help keep the door nice. Roll out the paint. I'll do the detail brushing after just to make the door one picture. I hope I can take down the other door because I'm more concerned about that door. Okay. Don't have a door handle. Okay. Let me check the battery. Oh, yeah, we're doing good. Okay. Now we're going to go up and down this. We'll do the side after. Now that side's going to dry. So I'm going to be careful not to put pressure on it to make it go towards that. So I'm going to just hold my finger in this knob right here. When you're going over black, this is primer and paint in it both. So I'm holding it with my little fingers. Then I have to get more paint. Stirring, stirring, stirring up the paint. Yeah. This is what you call making do with what you got. Okay. I'm so glad you're helping me with this. It would have been lonely doing it alone. It wouldn't have been any fun at all. Okay, here we go. Turning black to blushing red. Yep. I want my daughter blush. I want my daughter blush. Oh, blushing we will go. Oh, blushing we will go. The fun never ends in Seasparkles Corner, and we are having such fun with the 10th anniversary. Yes, we are. Oh, yes. Oh, yes. Oh, yes. Oh, yes. This side is very important. Ah, the stick fell. I shouldn't have put it on top of the washer. Choo, 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 choo. We're gonna paint today. Roll up the paint. We're gonna paint today. Roll up the paint. We're gonna paint and paint. We're gonna paint the store and make it blush, red blush. Oh yeah, we're gonna have to put on multiple coats, but that's okay. We want it to be gorgeous. Gorgeous. Okay, now we're gonna put the back. Oh, stick. We will put the stick back together. Around and round it goes. There it stops. Nobody knows. Okay. 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 All right, now it's got to dry. And then I'll put on a second coat, and I'll show you what it's finished like after the second coat. So, we're going to do this. It's red, Oops. My camera just spun. Up. I don't have it all the way down. There we go. There we go. That was some apologies. Okay. We got a red door here. We got a red door here. Whoops. And we got a red door here. But by the time we get done, it'll be beautiful. And so we gotta let that dry. And then I'm gonna do a second coat. Here we go, dear ones. We're gonna let that dry, and then I'm gonna do a second coat. I don't need to see that, just to make sure it doesn't bleed through. There is no bleed through, but I don't want any bleed through, just to make sure. I might even put on third coat, I don't know. And then we'll put on the new door handle when it's thoroughly dry. Okay, thanks for doing this with me. This is one of my doors. The other door, let me go over that. The other door, I'm gonna do this door later on this week, or I might even do it later on today if David comes back and can take down that door. Okay, but that doorknob for the other door is going back up. But this door has already gotten done. So, thanks for watching. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for all the fun. We're doing the doors. And to let everybody know, so in case you were worried, this window's open. That window's open. That door is open, and through to the backyard over there is open, and that door is open. And both windows in my bedroom are open, so there's plenty of ventilation. I don't even smell any paint, but I'm not taking any chances. So, there you go. And I just love painting. It's such fun. And so, thanks for watching. Stay tuned for all the fun. Don't go away. As you see, this door get done, then we get closed, and then you're going to see it from the perspective of my bedroom, because that's my goal. Okay, don't go away. We're getting very close to the time when we will be wallpapering. I've got to get that other door done, and I've got one window yet to do. Love y'all. Don't go away. Thanks for doing this with me. It's so nice to have your company. Shout out to everybody. Stay tuned for all the fun. Bye. As part one of the door gets done.